Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you about Python full stack layout design. I got many requests for simple Python project design. So this design will help you to understand the project flow. Let's start with this. So in this design, I'm going to show you about train ticket booking application. So first, you need to create this login page. If you are having the login details, directly you can enter into this project or you need to click on the register button. If you click on the register button, then this page will open where you need to fill this form and you need to submit. Once you submit successfully, then you can do the inquiry. After login, you will get this page inquiry where you can enter the train number, destination, date, and you can see the availability of the ticket. If the tickets are available, it will show like this. And if you click on the book, you can book the ticket by filling the details. If you don't have the login, you cannot book the ticket. So this flow we will see in today's class.